ProModel's Portfolio Simulator reduces the risk and uncertainty involved in strategic and long-term resource capacity planning by generating real-life scenarios that provide decision makers with quantified performance information that's both accurate and objective. Portfolio Simulator can be rapidly deployed to help organizations achieve their performance goals by making better decisions faster. In the high-stakes game of strategic planning, the one certainty that can always be counted on is uncertainty. The further you plan into the future, the more likely it is for variability, risk, and uncertainty to impact your portfolio's performance. This is especially true for forecasting your internal resource requirements, portfolio productivity, and financial performance. External factors can also influence the success of your company's portfolio, as competition, government regulations, capacity shortage, and the state of the economy affect performance objectives. Without the proper tools and methodology to visualize and analyze these internal and external factors, your long-term strategic plans have a low probability of being achieved. Often, companies will use spreadsheets and other traditional planning tools with complex algorithms to try to forecast far into the future. This becomes very problematic since these tools aren't designed to account for the variability and uncertainty inherent in long-term strategic planning. The inaccuracies and inconsistencies that result from their usage are costing companies billions of dollars. Another major issue that companies struggle with is the communication gap that exists between strategic planning and an organization's capability to execute at the operational level. Strategic planners typically use different metrics and tools than operational and tactical planners. As a result, the language barrier between these functional areas and the lack of a common platform to connect them makes it difficult to understand how the tactical operational plans will impact long-term organizational goals, and in turn, how those strategic goals can be implemented at the operational level. ProModel's approach to these problems combines a unique methodology with the powerful simulation and optimization technology of Portfolio Simulator to produce a realistic, risk-adjusted view of the future. Strategic and operational planners are now able to effectively identify and communicate risk and resource capacity and project portfolios across the enterprise. This allows for seamless collaboration in setting the strategy by facilitating the rapid development of what-if scenarios of future options. With true optimization capability, decision makers gain the ability to automatically determine which projects to execute, in what order and when, based on goals or objectives for key dates, budget requirements, or resource constraints. Portfolio Simulator allows you to import detailed data from databases and other programs such as Microsoft Project Server, Microsoft Project, and ProModel's Project Simulator, a Microsoft Project plugin. The data can then be rolled up into a portfolio view and combined with future potential projects based on predefined templates to create future scenarios. A range of powerful output reports with confidence levels of future performance are automatically generated from simulation runs to help lead you into making better decisions faster, which will maximize organizational performance now and into the future. For a web-based collaborative environment, ProModel also offers Enterprise Portfolio Simulator as one integrated solution for predictive scenario comparisons. Now the entire organization can visualize, analyze, and optimize its portfolio of projects without jeopardizing the actual execution of the system. The benefits of using a ProModel solution have already been realized by many companies. Retailer Hot Topic successfully employed Portfolio Simulator coupled with Microsoft Project and Project Server to dramatically improve their IT project selection, portfolio planning, and project delivery. This combined solution has improved their on-time project completion performance from 50% to over 90% while making resourcing decisions that have saved more than $1 million annually. Portfolio Simulator has also allowed a major pharmaceutical firm to confidently understand their level of resource commitment associated with clinical trials and candidate portfolios. They were able to appropriately allocate their existing resources to meet current demands, as well as justifying management's future resource projections without having to hire consultants to perform costly analysis during organizational expansion. In another case, a leading electronic systems defense contractor was experiencing significant lead time constraints in the hiring of new employees in conjunction with taking on new contracts. They were able to use Portfolio Simulator to accurately predict the number, types, and timing of new hires needed to meet current and future service level commitments, dramatically improving on-time project delivery. Portfolio Simulator is the only tool that offers the combined benefits of simulation, optimized scenario planning, and web-based access in one cohesive solution set, providing you the predictive power necessary to more accurately and quickly quantify the impact of your decisions on the entire portfolio before implementation begins. ProModel's Portfolio Simulator helps you make better decisions faster.